Yeah, if you can't buy a supercar, this is the next best thing. A Ferrari-branded automated watch with serious race presence. This watch is big, bold, and unapologetically aggressive, built for people who like statement pieces. At 46 millimeters, is oversized and visually dominant. The inner rotating bezel is adjusted with a side grow, adding a very instrument-style motorsport feel. At 9 o'clock, you get a day, 3 o'clock the date, and at 6 o'clock a 24-hour indicator for day to night tracking. Inside is Japanese automatic movement likely Miyota-based, with hand-wheeling support and a full power reserve for around 70 or 80 hours. That's a real mechanical value. The green lume on the hands is bright and highly legible at night, reinforcing its tool-oriented character. On a 16cm wrist, it wears large, but for 16.5cm and up, this what makes sense, especially if you want something bold and masculine. The stripe is long, solid, and finished with Ferrari branding, including the logo in the case back. With its automatic movement, rare mod style design, and Ferrari DNA, this is a lot of watch for the money. For the price, contact me. A big red dial, motorsport, attitude, supercar attitude, and mechanical power. This one is all about presence, not subtlety. It's beautiful, right?